Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing Bluetooth pairing problems with your devices, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve connectivity issues. Step 1. Turn Bluetooth off and back on for both devices you're trying to connect. This simple restart often resolves temporary connection glitches. Step 2. Remove or forget the device from your Bluetooth settings if it was previously paired. Go to Bluetooth settings, find the device, and select Forget or Remove. Step 3. Restart both devices completely by powering them off, waiting 30 seconds, and turning them back on to clear any software issues. Step 4. Ensure both devices are within close proximity, ideally within 3 feet of each other, with no obstructions or interference from other electronic devices. Step 5. Make sure both devices are in pairing mode. For headphones or speakers, this usually involves holding the power button until you see a flashing light. Step 6. Clear the Bluetooth cache on your smartphone by going to Settings, Apps, finding Bluetooth, and clearing its cache and data. Step 7. Update the software on both devices to the latest version, as manufacturers often release updates that fix Bluetooth connectivity bugs. Step 8. Reset network settings on your phone if other methods fail. This will clear all network configurations including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but often resolves persistent issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.